In this demo scenario, I will show you how Synactive GuiXT can be used as an offline solution for your mobile device. So how does it work? Today, plant users write down issues on paper as they find them in the field when there's no network connectivity, and work orders are created in the office where there is connectivity to SAP. Then in the field, they would perform the work, again writing down the resolution, the time it took, the parts used, etc. on paper. Then, back in the office, they would provide the information to a clerk, or they would enter the data back into SAP themselves. With the GuiXT Offline solution and a mobile device, the first step is to download the data from SAP to your local device while you are in a connected area. Then you perform the work and update the work order, all while you are out in the field. You can create new records, update records, basically perform any transaction that was delivered to your screen using the GuiXT WS platform. Instead of writing down resolutions on paper, all the information is input directly into the device. Now, once you're back in the office, you can upload the data back into SAP. Once you are connected, and the validations are all done when you sync back to the database. The offline JavaScript resides on the local device. There is a lightweight database with a small footprint that resides as well on the device. The database that we use is SQLite. It has a maximum storage of 2 terabytes. For example, for 400,000 notifications and 400,000 addresses, the total data was only 250 megabytes. This is the database that is part of the offline solution. I will now show you a demo of the actual product. First, we will log into SAP as you normally would while you're connected using your username and password. This is the initial screen with the Launchpad. There are 2 buttons, so I'll click on my work orders. As you can see, there's a number of push buttons here, and I will download the data before I go offline. This is done through the Synchronize button. I click on Synchronize to download the data, and now I can take my device into the field on an oil rig, anywhere, with or without network connectivity. Once I go offline, the Synchronize button is no longer visible, which means I don't have connectivity to SAP. I click on a particular work order and click Change. Now I come to the Change Order screen and work on the order and change certain fields. Once I do that, I save it, and I can also work on another work order. Again, I can change it, and now I'm done. I save this order, and you can also at a later point add time confirmations or parts on the work order, either on or offline. Once I'm in a network connected area, as you can see here, the Synchronize button is back. I can select or deselect and upload the work orders to SAP. This is a simple example of our offline solution. Thank you.